how you can upload and how you can post a community post on your YouTube tab. Hey guys, welcome to tutorials.globally.com. In today's video, I will show you how you can make any kind of post on the YouTube community post. First, you need to go to YouTube. After coming to it, here is the Create button. From here, you need to select Create Post. Now here, you can write anything to your community that you want to share with them. Like, you can share any tip, any video, or any message you wish to say them. Along with this, you can also add image. You can create image polls, text polls, quizzes polls, and add video here as well. If you want to post it now, click here, and if you want to schedule it, you can choose Schedule option. In this way, you can utilize YouTube's Community tab to make a post of your choice here. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.